All right, hitting up a few of these shops today. At least got a report that they got plenty of these still. They do, 50 bucks. Got these little Under Armours right here. These like a size 7.5, 45. Alpha cleats right here if you need something for football, 20 bucks. Some budget cleats, 20 bucks. And also tired of showing these as well, but got a report for you guys. $40. Got some Under Armours right here. Don't really know what these are. About 50 bucks for these. It's just like a little ankle thing, I don't know. But yeah, got some retro P's with no boost. No boost on these, 45. Still seeing these things right here as well. The Pharrells, $35 for these. Who is this? What is this? What is this? Is this Usain Bolt shoe or something? These are some Pumas. I've never even seen these before. $40 for those. Alarms going off. Got Pumas. Got more of the Mellow 2s, MB2s, and then Chuck 70s. These are a bigger size. $40. More of these Sean Witherspoons right here. Size 11. Don't see any Ross tags on it though. I got some Human Race high tops right here. No clue what the hell these are. Not familiar with these at all. What the hell they're? There's some Pharrell Williams though. Going for 38. Alright, finally seen something different. Dame 8s. Dame 8s. I think these are dope, dude. I think these are dope. The strap on the front. I think those really add a lot. $47. These are 9.5. Pure Boost 22s right here going for 40. And some Air Max slides right here, size 18. Size 18 down to 22. Not the craziest find so far, but you still do have to check because when they dump a bunch of good stuff, usually it happens very, very quick. Yeah, man, by the time you see it on social media, most of the times it's too late. It's too late, so definitely got to check. We'll check a couple more stores. Why would you darken out just one section? Like, wouldn't you darken out both the lights? I don't know. All right, stop number 2. Been seeing a ton of the McCollum jerseys as well as the Durant jerseys, and they're gone. They're gone. I guess they've been selling like crazy. Yo, haven't seen these. Jordan Hachimura jerseys right here. Normally 110. No price. No price. But they've been what? $40? I think the price has been 40 bucks. That's pretty dope. Yeah, but that's about it, man. I even went through a lot of the pieces, not really finding much. And then got Puma's version of the lattes. These probably came out before though. Never mind. All right, I already see a bunch of interesting stuff at this location right here. Got Witnesses, super small size. Super duper small size, size 6.5. Should be in the kids. But yeah, these going for 50. These are the Witness 8s. Got Vans with the platform going for 40. Crazy 8s right here, aka the Kobe's. These are 7.5. Yeah, 7.5 going for 47. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. These have been overpriced for a cool minute. Finally dropping in price, $45. Anyway, the smaller Witnesses right here, and then some Donovan Mitchells, 25 bucks. These are like a smaller one though. Look at this, some Soldiers. I ain't seen Soldiers in a minute. 65 for these. These are pretty big. The multiple NMDs, 11.5 right here, 65. 10.5, 65 for these. This looks pretty clean, all white. Yeah, this spot definitely more interesting than the last one. 40 for these bad boys. Still got alarms everywhere though. Got the boots right here. I really like these. I'm not a fan of the colorway, but I love the material. I love the look. I love the exposed Air Max unit. Pretty fire, dude. 65 bucks. These are size 9 right here. I love the suede. God dang, dude, how many alarms are going off? Under Armour boots right here. These are going for what, 50 bucks? More Donovan Mitchells right here. These are going for $40. All white, pretty decent, pretty decent. And then I'm surprised these ain't moving for 50. More NMDs going for 65. Chuck 70s right here, $40 for those. Some fake foam runners. I haven't had a chance to hit up the Adidas outlet. I did hear that a few of the Adidas outlet do have Yeezys. God dang it. Schedule hasn't really permitted that. But yeah, 35 for these colorful things right here. And they still got plenty of these, man. Surprised everybody's not scooping these up. I thought everybody loved these. And then apparently, dang, they dump in a ton of NMDs. These are another 10.5. Another one right here as well. Dang, they're getting rid of these. Apparently these are an 11. Then Pegasus Turbo Next Natures are all getting marked down. These some space hippies right here. Are these one of the cosmic? I don't know. 65 for these. Way too much. Come on now. KDs in a extra huge size right here. Also more NMDs. These are size 14. A reasonable size 13 right here as well. And then of course we got to check out the women's section. Even if I don't show the women's sections, I'm usually looking. Just nothing to show sometimes. This spot, they got a little something, you know. Got some NMDs right here in the women's. Look at this. Cheaper in the women's, $40. These are size 6. They got these Converse things right here. These big old boots. Canvas boots going for $45. These some forums right here. These are some fancy looking forums. Way girly as well. $40 for those bad boys. Got some alligator skin. Definitely faux alligator skin. But yeah, $40 for these. These are Chuck 70s. These are some Chuck 70s. You can see that's 70 right there. $40. And then this is what I've been looking for. Ultra Boost right here. Color on these are kind of crazy. Size 6 though. Size 6. So is that 4.5 men's or size 5 men's, I think. I think Adidas does one size. But yeah, $55. Dang, most other spots we had them for 50 and now they're 55. They're raising them like that. Damn. So the real question is, are these worth it at 55 bucks? 55 bucks, maybe if they find a decent colorway. Man, I miss those days. 25 bucks. I used to be able to find these for $25. Dang. Pare numero tres. Numero, whatever. And this spot still got jerseys. Do got a small Durant going for 40. Got juked with these two. Adidas running shirt, extra small, 15. Nike US, kind of like a generic jersey going for 17. Been seeing quite a few of these medium large here. Been checking out backpacks. Got a little Nike backpack right here, kind of budget one. Oh, here's the price tag. No price tag. Got a couple down here. This one, $40. I thought it was marked down, but not really. Another one right here. I guess it's the same price, maybe. Budget Jordan backpack right here, 20 bucks. Adidas backpack, 30. And then I guess it's been the Adidas outlet lately, man. More NMDs. These are size 6.5. These are some juniors. So which means they should be priced lower, right? Yeah, $40 for those. There we go. More and more Ultra Boosts. Are these the Ultra Boost lights or the Ultra Boost 22s? These are a 10.5, 50 bucks. Are these worth it? Are Ultra Boost worth 50 bucks? Ultra Boost lights, yeah. Ultra Boost lights, are they worth 50 bucks? What do y'all think? I don't know. The lights seem to be more girly. I don't know, this shape. The Ultra, I kind of like the old school Ultra Boost, the Ultra Boost 22s. I think it's the 21 22s, and then these type right here, the Ultra Boost lights, they seem a little more girly. I don't know, what do y'all think? But for $50, you know, if you find an Ultra Boost that you like, definitely worth it. Super, super comfortable. Obviously, I miss them when they were $25, but definitely dope to see that they're here, and definitely worth it if you need some comfortable shoes. And then another one of these. More of these high top looking Under Armours right here. Got more and more going for 50. And of course, more of those. Been finding a lot of Chuck 70s. Does that mean Chuck 70s just overpriced as hell? They're going for $40 here. But normally Chuck 70s are like what, 80 bucks, something like that? This one ain't bad. This one ain't bad. This one has the Cordura as well. I believe that's what New Balance uses to get the weather resistance on their shoes as well. Under Armour is going for $50. Is that a weather resistant Hoka? Okay, I've never seen these before. $90 for these. I recognize there's a Hoka from the midsole, just from the midsole alone. Bigger sizes, top 10s. And someone's gross half drinking Starbucks right there, 45 bucks. KD's in a reasonable size 18. Go for 60. Y'all ain't getting 60 for those. More of those Nike boots up top. Some eye shots down here being marked down to 33. And I have been seeing plenty of Vans, $40 for those. A Tentacupo, the Immortality 2s, 45 for those. And then in the women's, do got some Cardi B's. Were these a flop? Like, I love Cardi B. Cardi B's like one of the hottest, and I like her attitude, but these haven't really been selling for nothing, right? $23 at Ross. Holy cow. Got some extra generic Nikes. Still trying to charge 33. Don't even know what the hell those are. Some Converse platforms go for 37. Got some suede cons right here. These are actually hella nice. I like these. $40 for these bad boys. These are what, a size 8? Actually a decent size too. Yeah, these are women's 8. Yeah, actually a good size. Nike boots. Got a bunch of these right here. Go for $43. Got a Burlington across the street. They ain't had nothing lately, but we still gotta check. Do got some Star Wars Crocs right here. No holes in the front though. 25 for those. Pretty decent size 12 men's. And then do got some NMDs right here. Human Race NMDs, size 6.5. These are going for 30. Pretty decent find. Got a second one of those, size 6.5 as well. Got some these fake Chucks. Oh man, I got yo. Yeah, fake Chucks. The hell is that? Hood Conference. Fake Chucks for 15. These are the 1 stars. Going for 30. Their sneaker section was way bigger. Now it's just these two and that. What the hell? Man, they haven't been getting nothing. What the F? Like Ross has been getting everything and they ain't been getting nothing other than these right here. If you got kiddos, these are bigger sizes though, but they got these for 13. Dragon Ball Z going for 13 as well. And if they like Batman, it is small, medium, large. They don't even have sizes like that. That's hilarious. And these discount stores, they've always been a great place to buy socks, especially if you like South Park. $4 for these bad boys. $4 for 3 socks. That's not bad. Pac-Man, Ninja Turtles right here. Yeah, not much in apparel, I know. Did Ross like just outbid them for everything and just eat up all the material? Like how is it that Ross has been having all kinds of stuff and these fools ain't been having nothing? What's going on? All right, starting to see some Ultra Boost. A little light on the Nikes. All right, one last stop. More and more of these NMDs. Size 8 right here. Kids crying like a mug in the background. What's up with these Crocs with no holes in the front? What is up with that? I don't understand. Who wants these? I don't know. 30 bucks though. Whole point of Crocs is like they're light, they're airy. Like those are even heavier than regular Crocs too. So I don't understand. Dang, really been an Adidas outlet lately. 60 for those. And since we are at the Under Armour outlet, I always got these here. Yeah, I've never seen so many NMDs. 60 for these. 40 for these. Chuck 70s going for $40 right here. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's being marked down at every place. That's pretty dope. 45 for these. This is Ross in a nutshell right here. NMDs and MB2s. Like that's what we're seeing. And I'm not even exaggerating. Holy cow. Then some Crocs, finally with some holes in it. Size 13 though. What the hell, man? Size 13. This is huge as hell. $30. Oh, these are starting to get reduced. 17 bucks. Then got some Trey Unlimiteds. I had to look at the tags. I couldn't remember what this was. $40 for these bad boys right here. And then another one of these, as well as more of these. Got some Dame certifieds right here, down to $15. 15 bucks. If you need some outdoor hoop shoes, $15, yo. Damn. If I could play hoops, I would definitely do that. My back's been killing me lately, man. Then, of course, another one of these. More of these. And when I say a ton of NMDs, I'm not even exaggerating. Not even exaggerating at all. I'm gonna keep it going. Another one right here. Look at this. Damn, fool, I barely touched you. All right, that sounded like a Me Too movement. What the hell? And then do got some Project Rock. These are the BSRs. These are the budget versions. Still going for $47. Multiple colorways right here. That one looks so much better with that little brass looking logo right there. That looks way better. I don't know why. Some budget Steph Curry's right here, going for $50. Damn, this place is dope, dude. This is the location right next to the Northridge Mall. $50 or $45 for these bad boys right here. Yeah, this spot is definitely one of the better locations. And the traffic here is crazy. Foot traffic here is crazy, so they're gonna get more and more stuff. Not all Ross are equal. You know, they're gonna send better stuff to the spots where they get a ton of foot traffic. $38 for these. These are the Pharrells. Some sort of Pharrells for our high tops right there. Yeah, they got a few of the Dame certifieds. $15, yo. 15 bucks. And then do got the Kobe ones right here. Adidas Kobe ones. AKA crazy ones. 47 bucks. That's an awful colorway. But 47 bucks, still a deal. Still a steal. If you like this color. Then if you don't want the budget Project Rocks, I got the real deal ones right here. These are crazy use size 15, 35 for these. And then right next to that, they got a reasonable size 13 right here. 45 for these bad boys right here. Dope seeing Project Rock. Seeing quite a lot of things here, man. Not bad. Got these GT cuts, 49, because they're size 18. Hoping the women's section is just as action-packed. We'll see. All them interesting finds in the men's and not much in the women's. Dang, that's really disappointing. Trying to show the 7 women that do watch my videos what's up. And yeah, there's not much, you guys. There's not much. Maybe I spoke too soon. Do got some Project Rock right here. $50 for these right here. These are size 9. So actually, oh, that's actually a really good size. Got some waffle racers right here. Waffle ones, 45. Chuck 70s. Size 8 right here. $40 for those. Why are people so dirty? Y'all can't find a trash can? Really? Damn, what the hell? What's wrong with people? Trash can right there. God, people are lazy. That's why everybody's so fat. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. All right, man. We out, man. We out.